Welcome to our channel. If you want to access premium news aggregator features without paying immediately, follow these step-by-step instructions to get free trial subscriptions to services like Apple News Plus, Flipboard Premium, or specialized news platforms. Step 1. Choose the news aggregator service you want to try, such as Apple News Plus, which offers access to hundreds of magazines and newspapers, or other premium news platforms like The Athletic or Bloomberg. Step 2. Visit the official website of your chosen service or open their mobile app to find information about free trial offers for new subscribers. Step 3. Look for Try It Free or Start Free Trial buttons, which are typically displayed prominently on the homepage or within the app when you're not currently subscribed. Step 4. Click the trial button to begin registration. Review what's included in the premium subscription, such as ad-free reading, offline access, exclusive content, or access to premium publications. Step 5. Create a new account by entering your email address and setting a password, or sign in with existing credentials if you have an account but haven't previously used the premium trial. Step 6. Provide payment information by entering your credit card or using alternative payment methods like PayPal or carrier billing. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial period. Step 7. Review the subscription terms, noting the trial duration, which publications and features are included, and the monthly cost that will be automatically charged if you don't cancel before the trial expires. Step 8. Start reading premium content immediately across all available publications and features. Set a reminder to evaluate the service and decide whether to cancel or continue before your trial period ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.